Walking across the Kuramae bridge. And tonight, Yokozuna framed in snow. It is a snowstorm. It's really coming down. I'm gonna try to just get across this bridge. There's a north wind blowing, so I'm gonna try to just get across here. You can see the snow coming down sideways. Yeah, strong north wind. Sumida River here. Making our way from Ryogoku across the Sumida River to Asakusabashi, where I'm staying. I've been staying for the past few days. Yeah. Full on winter onslaught here. It's nice to get a taste of it, but it's also nice to be hopefully flying out of here tomorrow. Some of the amazing artwork here. Ironmongery, is that what you call that? Oi! Slippery. Ironmongery, yeah, these bridges are very beautifully designed. The snow's really accumulating. We probably got an inch and a half so far. Again, Yokozuna always makes me think of Fuji. I don't know if that's who it's supposed to be, but I think most reminiscent of his silhouette. The great 58th Yokozuna. The one and only Fuji. Oh, may he rest in peace. Almost across the bridge here. Really full on. This is the first real taste of winter I've had on this vacation. I've been here since, early January. It's now early February. I've been here the better part of a month, not yet a month. Kuramae Bridge again, looking great. Probably my favorite bridge. Maybe I'm biased because I've crossed this the most often, most frequently. Here we are under snow. I'm coming down onto the terrace, as they call it here, the Sumidagawa Terrace. Popular with joggers, dog walkers. Cyclists are not allowed. Motor vehicles obviously banned down here. Come down these stairs. These are the stairs I run up to finish a run many days out of the average week. Again, the Kuramae Bridge, just looking gorgeous. What a beautiful structure. Slushy. Seems slushier the closer one gets to the river, so I'm gonna stay on a little bit higher ground here towards the levee wall. Feel for the homeless people here. Of course, like any other urban metropolis, Tokyo has its homeless people, and I do not envy their predicament being out on a night like this. I don't envy their predicament the best of times, but you know, a night like this, biting cold, windy, damp. I hope they find a way to stay warm and hope they can improve their situation somehow. Sky tree, I should say, is completely invisible tonight on account of this. Anyway, we'll cut it.